Welcome back, guys. In this database management system playlist, in this video, we are going to see data independence. In the previous section, we have seen data schemas, okay? And what is mean by data independency? And so, first, we'll understand what is meant by heading, okay? Independency means it does not depend upon any other things, right? So data independency means the data which does not depend on any other data. So how this data independency makes important role in the database management system, we are going to see. So data independence is mainly defined as a property of database management system that helps you to change the database schemas at one level of a system without requiring to change the schemas at the next level. It helps you to keep the data separate from all programs that make use of it. So in the database schema, you have seen there will be three levels: so physical level, conceptual level, and external level. So whenever we want to change some data in any level, so whenever, for example, if you want to change the data in the physical level, then it may affect the next level. Because they both are the levels are interlinked, right? So whenever I change data from data in the physical level, they may affect the conceptual level. So to make this process to make these changes does not happen, and if I make any changes in physical level, it does not it should not affect the conceptual level, another levels. So to make this process possible, we use a concept called data independency. Data independence is nothing but making it's a process or a property in the database management system that helps you to change the database at one level without affecting the data in the another level. ఒక లెవెల్లో చేసే చేంజెస్ దాని వల్ల వేరే లెవెల్లో ఉన్న డేటాకి ఎఫెక్ట్ కాకుండా ఉండాలన్నమాట. దట్ ఈస్ మెయిన్ ద మెయిన్ మోటివ్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఇండిపెండెన్సీ. సో వీ హ్యావ్ మెయిన్లీ టూ లెవెల్స్ ఆఫ్ డేటా ఇండిపెండెన్సీ రైజింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ దీస్ లెవెల్స్ అబ్స్ట్రాక్షన్. So level physical level data independence and logical level data independency. So I think you have seen this just look at this diagram. So according to the database schema, we have three levels. So in this database schema only, we are going to apply the data independency. So that's the reason we have database schema levels: physical level, conceptual level, and external level. So in these levels, we have the the changes that should not happen between physical level and conceptual level is termed as a data independency, and external level and conceptual level is given as a logical data independency. So let's see what exactly physical level and logical level means. So physical level data independence is nothing but it refers to the characteristics of being able to modify the physical schema without any alterations to the conceptual or logical schema done for optimization purpose. So obviously, as I said to you, physical level data independence is nothing but whenever there are the changes that made in the physical level, it should not affect it keeps tracking so that it should not affect the data that is present in the conceptual level. The relationship ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఉన్న రిలేషన్షిప్ ఈ రెండింటి మధ్య ఉన్న చేంజెస్ గురించి ఇది కంట్రోల్ చేస్తుంది అనమాట. Basically, the conceptual structure of the database could not be affected by any changes in storage size of the data system server. So storage size is one of the chance of getting changed a lot of times. For example, any changes made in the physical level, they also make the changes in the storage level. So our storage level kuda it should not affect that also. Okay, and next one is changing from the sequential to the random access field. In such example, the alternatives or modifications to physical structure may include utilization of new storage devices, modifying data structures used for storage, alternative indexing. So what type of changes apart from the storage changes, it also keeps track that it may utilize new storage device. It's also one of the changes. It should not affect the storage related changes. Modifying the data structures used for storage కావాల్సిన data structures ని modify చేసినప్పుడు, because storage is common to them, right? Conceptual level and physical level have a common storage. So whenever the changes we made on the storage, it should not affect the another level. So that's the reason modification of data structures used for storage, utilizing new storage devices, alternative index over using alternative organization techniques, file techniques. Okay, so basically it's all about changing only, but what type of change is another you need to specify here little bit more, you need to explain it as of your understandable understanding level. Okay, and next one is talking about the logical level dependency. So what is my logical level dependency, sorry, logical level data independency? It is logical level data independency. It refers to the characteristics of being able to modify the logical schema without affecting the external schema or application programmer. Obviously, by the diagram, we can state that the logical level dependency that, but it keeps tracking of does it keeps tracking that the data should not be changed. The external level should not be affected by the changes made in the conceptual level. Conceptual level lo either changes valla external level or application program may not affect the data. So we are going to keep track data. The user view of the data could not be affected by any changes to conceptual view of data. These changes may include insertion or deletion of attributes, altering tables, structure, entities, relationships, and everything. So, in the conceptual level, previous classes, levels of abstraction and database schema, we have seen that conceptual level mainly deals with the tables and we said right tables and alterings, information retrieval. So these type of whenever the changes made, changes including insertion like deletion, attributes, alteration, table, so whenever we make these types of changes it should not affect the external level. Okay, the best example is see, we have recently seen that WhatsApp in past 2 years or 1 year, WhatsApp has been bite by some Facebook, right? They bite the WhatsApp. So before WhatsApp uses some other type of databases, data storage, okay, data storage. But after the Facebook has been bite the WhatsApp, they have changed the databases. But external level is nothing but the users which we are going to use. So whenever they change the database, we have not affected, right? We keep on using it. It does not change. Uh, they did not, I mean, వాళ్ళు వాళ్ళకి ఇన్ఫార్మ్ చేయలేదు. They have not informed that we'll take 2 to 3 days. The WhatsApp should not will not work because we are changing database. They have not informed at all anything. Okay, because it does not affect. They change the database. Still, the external level means the user we can use the application at the time of the changing also. That's a main example, general example we are going to take. So that's it for today's class, data independency in database management system. So if you have any doubts, please do comment, and please do watch previous sections also from the level of abstraction, because physical level, conceptual level, you are going to understand in that video only. Okay, so thank you, have a nice day. Please do like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel Engineering Chadu.